In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add transactions in Koinly. We'll walk through the exact flow shown on screen, starting in the Coin Ledger interface, which mirrors the core steps you'll follow when entering a manual transaction for accurate portfolio and tax tracking. Begin by opening Coin Ledger and heading to your portfolio. From there, move to the transaction section so you can view, create, and manage entries. Look for the Add Transaction button and select it to start a new record. You'll be prompted to choose a transaction type. This is where you indicate whether the event is a buy, sell, trade, income, or another classification. Pick the option that best matches what actually happened so your gains and cost basis are calculated correctly. You'll see a panel for transaction details along with a position area. If you're given tabs or sections, make sure you're on the transaction view and then select the appropriate classification that aligns with the type you chose earlier. When you're confident it matches your scenario, click Next to proceed. On the Buy Details screen, add the timestamp. Use the actual date and time the transaction occurred. This matters for holding periods and cost basis, so double check the time zone and format. Next, set the source. This tells the system where the transaction took place or which wallet or exchange it belongs to. Choose Select Account. Pick the correct account from your list and click Apply. If you're tracking a hardware or generic wallet, you can choose the appropriate entry, such as a generic wallet label, to keep things organized. When that's set, click Next. Now complete the asset details. Select the asset involved in the transaction, then enter the amount. If the interface allows adding an additional asset for multi-asset events, you can use that option, but only when it reflects what actually occurred. Type the exact quantity, including decimals if necessary, and confirm it matches your records or transaction hash. If there's an on-screen field for fees or notes, enter those accurately so your totals are precise. When everything looks correct, click Next and then Save to finalize the entry. Give the page a moment to update, then review the transaction in your list to ensure the type, source account, asset, amount, and timestamp all line up with your documentation. Small discrepancies can affect your reports, so it's worth a quick check. That's it. Your manual transaction is added and ready to be included in your portfolio and tax calculations.